Hello everyone, welcome back to Miss Bini in America. How are you all doing today? So if you are new here, you're welcome. Quickly, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So in this recipe today, I am going to be showing you guys how I make my shampoo, homemade shampoo. So if you are that type that use homemade shampoo, stick around. So I just finished cutting onion. Onion is really good for your hair. This really saved my hair. I was having a lot of breakage for the past, not anymore. So I just cut the onions and put it in my blender. Now I want to show you the other ingredients. I use Johnson & Johnson for the kiss. Also, I choose this because this is what I have right now. If you have any other one, any shampoo of your choice, just go ahead and use it. You can even use Dove and all of that. Anyway, this is not advertisement. It's just what I am using. So after I'm gonna be using 1 cup of this shampoo, and then I go and use the honey. You know, you all know how honey is in the hair, and if you really want to know how I use this amazing recipe on my hair, you're gonna stick around because it's my wash day and I'm just preparing the shampoo. So I add 2 spoons of honey to this onion in the blender. Excuse me. So this is the other one. I add 1 spoon first. Now I'm adding another spoon, making it 2. And then after this, I will go ahead and add my coconut oil. I am using virgin coconut oil. It's organic. So you're gonna be using 1 spoon, but I guess this one is more than 1 spoon because it's very thick. So after that one, I'm gonna be adding my shampoo inside the blender, and so I'll blend them all together so that it will blend, and I'm gonna blend it very smoothly. And after blending it, you can sieve it, and maybe you want to wash your hair that day because it's already in the night here, like around 9 p.m. So I'm just gonna do it because I have a lot of things to do tomorrow, so that when I just want to wash my hair, it'll be easy for me. So I'm just gonna blend it together and put it in a plate, or I put it in a cover plate or bottle, anything. You can just put it anything you like. So after blending it, now just gonna see how it turns out. Oh my god, see guys, you can even drink this if you don't know what it is. So it smells so good. That coconut oil is a bomb. I like using that Johnson shampoo because it gives it that good smell, and you can't even smell onion inside. So I also like using the white onion because of this color. You know, the color is really attractive. So the shampoo I'm using is really giving it another smell. So yeah, I finished blending it. I put it on this plastic plate so that I can be able to cover it up. You can put it in anything you want, so you can use any onion of your choice.